Have you ever searched for aloe vera online, only to see a bunch of plants that don't look the same? You're not alone. Aloe vera is one of the most misidentified plants. Today, we're diving into why that happens. Aloe vera is just one species out of 590 accepted species in the aloe genus. Within aloe vera, there are only 2 known varieties. But across the aloe family, there are hundreds of hybrids. This is where things start to get confusing. Some aloes look completely unique. Others, especially when young, look very similar to aloe vera. That makes identification tricky. But the biggest problem? Misinformation on the internet. Thousands of articles have made a complete mess of aloe vera's identity. Some claim aloe vera is a genus with multiple species. That is completely false. Others list different aloe species as if they are varieties of aloe vera. Then there are articles that don't even show aloe vera at all. For example, Cactusway.com wrote 15 facts you didn't know about aloe vera, but posted a Haworthia, which isn't even an aloe. OprahDaily.com published aloe vera does so much more than just soothe sunburn, but used a picture of Haworthia fasciata instead. Women's Health magazine did the same thing. They showed a Haworthia fasciata in an aloe vera article. GoodHousekeeping.com wrote how to take care of an aloe vera plant, but posted an image of aloe polyphylla instead. GroomingArtist.com discussed aloe vera's benefits, but used a tiger aloe instead of aloe vera. Now imagine someone who has never seen aloe vera before. If they rely on these articles, they'll believe Haworthia, aloe polyphylla, or tiger aloe is aloe vera. It's like writing about tigers but showing a house cat, or talking about foxes but using a picture of a dog. They may belong to the same family, but they're completely different. This is why I totally understand when people get confused. The misinformation is everywhere. I hope you learned something today. Thank you for watching. This is Danny, and I'll see you in the next video.